Number 38, the diagram represents a ramp in the shape of a right triangle and the lengths of two of its sides in feet. What is the length of the ramp in feet? We have a right triangle. That indicates the ramp is going to be on our hypotenuse, so we're going to be using the Pythagorean theorem. So let's take a look real quickly about the Pythagorean theorem. It says if you take this a squared plus b squared, it should give you c squared. And let's look at our right triangle. We're going to take an arrow from that right angle. If you can find the right angle in the right triangle and go across, it will point towards C. And C is our hypotenuse and is also our longest side. And it's going to be our ramp in this case. So what we want to know, now we know that if C is what we're looking for, A and B will be the other two, the two legs of the triangle. So when we plug those into the formula, we'll get 11, which is our height of the ramp. So do 11 squared plus 60, which is the length of our ramp, 60 squared equals c squared. Let's go ahead and calculate those. 11 squared is 121, 60 squared is 3,600, and we go ahead and add those together. So we have 3,721 equals c squared. Now, if we rewrite that, the opposite of squared numbers is square root. So if we want to find what number times itself equals 3,721, we can actually take the square root. Let's go ahead and punch that in our calculator, hit the square root button, we get 61. And that makes sense because the C, the hypotenuse, which is our ramp, has to be the longest side. It's one of the rules of the hypotenuse. 61 is longer than 60 and 11. So when we look at our answer, what is the length of the ramp in feet? 61 feet.